What's good? Welcome back. ZFX Trades. See if we can get into tonight. Live trade in Tokyo. Tonight is January the 13th, Tuesday night. Trading Tokyo session. Uh, Tokyo session started at 7. That volume and momentum will come in at 8. See what we can get into tonight. We got the one. Decided to add another chart. So we got the 1, the 3, and the 5. Still lower time frame. We do have a transition bullish to the upside. Go ahead and mark this out. Had a transition officially right here. We're currently in an uptrend. Either wait for a pullback to continue higher, or I'm gonna have to wait for that the 8 p.m. CRT. But we'll see what the market can give us. I'm going ahead and do some markups real quick on the 3 and the 5. Okay. Okay, we got a breaker block right here. That's in line with this fair value gap. Well, it barely aligns with the fair value gap. Got a lot of momentum right there. We had lower high led to a lower low, lower high equal low, higher high equal low, lower high, lower low, or no, it's a higher low, equal high. Then it made a new low, pull back, lower high, higher low, equal highs right here, higher low. We had the breakout of these equal highs. So let me go ahead and move this up real quick. Had a breakout of these equal highs, broke these equal highs. It also broke these equal highs. We had a two candlestick pullback right here as well, but it was internal structure. So we're definitely bullish right now based on 5, 3, and 1. So let me go ahead and go to let me see what's up with the 1 hour. We definitely bullish. Got equal lows right here, equal highs, but we're reacting off of these equal lows. It's a long rejection wick. So we can get price to close above this. This will turn this into a breaker block. Then we look for that retest to this zone, which is basically right here. Look for a retest to this zone or correction, pull back, whatever. And then we get in for our entry protocol. Let it take out liquidity and then let it show us that it's wanting to transition back bullish after the pullback. So we waiting on. So I would very much like for price at 8 o'clock to end somewhere up here or if not higher. I just needed to, you feel me? I needed to close above here, and that's going to validate this as a bullish trend on the 1 hour. So we can definitely look for a big push after this pullback. Looking like we may get it before. Man, we already transitioned bullish, so we get it before 8. We just get it before 8. Hmm. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay, on the 3 minute, we got a block right here as well. I mark like the top half. So invalidated a lot. So we got a breaker block on the 3, breaker block 2 on the 5, 2 breaker blocks on the 5. We got our pullback, so we see what I want to do. once it hits these levels again. So currently we bullish, just waiting on the correction or pull back, and then we get entry protocol. Take it from there. Look at reacting off of this supply right here. Let me push it down to these zones so I can get my reaction. Is that an engulfing? It is. Okay. So we got an engulfing that was invalidated, which is a breaker block on 3 minute. So from here, price should push back down to should get that push. Yeah, definitely should get that push. Engulfing on the 3 minute and the 1 minute. I ain't catch the 1 minute. See what I'm saying right here? This engulfing was invalidated. So we'll see. Now, if it wants to maintain this and continue coming down, it won't come past here. We'll see. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Definitely continuing bullish. That's what I like to see. But you gotta come on, you gotta give me my entry though, gang. You ain't retraced or nothing. Yeah. Look at that. That's crazy. I would have liked for this engulfing to be way bigger for me to actually count it, but it still is valid on the 1 minute. Higher low, lower high, lower low, then it is invalidated, all of that. That's why you wait for reactions off of your zones. You don't just get in uh, based off the movement of what's price movement of price currently, basically. Just getting in randomly, that's not trading, that's gambling. If you ain't got if you're not trading a strategy, then you're gambling. You're not trading. Then and only then does it become gambling. You just go into the market with no clear path, no structure, no strategy, no type of mindset at all. And that's when trading becomes gambling. Why did you do that here and not come back to any zone? Like this. Hold on. Should I add a fourth chart to this thing? That would kind of be cool. Go ahead and hit. Hold up. Nah, gang, you gotta. Where's the little? There you go. Like, oh, I can't do four. I can't do. What about this? Nah, I'm gonna just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. I'm gonna have to play around with that off stream. Cause it got set up like it's four boxes. Like it won't be like this. It'd be a box in each corner. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that alone. I actually did. How'd that come from? I actually did catch a setup pre-market before I went live. I legit lost track of time because I wanted to go live around 7 or a little before 7. But I mean, I'm here. Let's see what's up. I mean, mm, yeah, I'm still wanting to come back down. Let me see what that I look like. 'Cause we got 28 minutes until this formation becomes a breaker block. So this down engulfing gets invalidated and becomes a breaker block. Then we'll use that as our point of entry. So it'll be right down in here somewhere. So let me go ahead. Excuse me. Go ahead and delete that. So we'll see what's up. So yes, we have this higher high, this higher low. So when this gets invalidated to pull it back to any of these zones, I don't think it'll come all the way back down here. But I mean, shit, you never know. So I just keep. I ain't really too much worried about this one though. It'd have to be these two. This is the lowest point that pushed up there. So in order for me to be looking for sales, it'd have to a body close need to close below here. Anything above here, buyers are in control. We got a new higher high above this point, above this structure and this structure. So anything above here, we bullet. So as soon as it retraces back into our range, we just look for that transition. And I'm gonna try and catch that thing on the 1 minute tonight. But we gotta reach to this range first though. So we can get that gold. And so we just waiting, we just waiting. We just waiting. I gotta get a better light for my or a light, not a better, but I don't have one. I gotta get a light for my desk. I just got that light in the corner back there. That's a ceiling light that ain't doing no justice. take out this liquidity game. Take out this liquidity. Tap to the zone. Give it my reversal pattern on the 1 minute or the 3, whichever shows first. But I'm still wanting you to close up here. Don't come down here. Don't come down here until 8 o'clock, gang. If that's the setup we got to wait for. So we may be. I'm gonna have to make a decision whether I'm trading based on the setup I already have or that 8 p.m. CRT because it's getting closer to that time. So I guess whatever presents itself first. This will be this will be rocking with on the 3 minute. So 1 hour where I need price to again close above my blue. This blue. Hold on, let me. It's too much blue going on. Close above. I need to close above this area. So this is what it looks like on the 3 minute. Just 1 minute. So see what's up. We do have this would be considered an indication right here. But I'm still anticipating this to reverse though. But you gotta play it like how it is. Cause we got at least 2 candlesticks up, at least 2 down. We got a new high. That's an indication. So it might even come down here, but that's good. At least until 8. Until after 8. And I'll be Gucci. It's still indication. Push indication. I'll make it blue. Let's see what's up. It's starting to transition already. Because we got 3 up. We got 2 up right here. Invalidated. So this is essentially an equal high. Since he got invalidated with a body closure. The body all of this liquidity. Even this wick. So that's valid. So that's why I say that when you have at least 2 candlesticks up or 2 candlesticks going up or 2 going down or both, that's more valid than it just being one candle alone. It's only valid when it's one candlestick if it's an engulfing. Like this. Again, when the body of the next candle is bigger than the body of the previous candle. It's the only time you would count that one candlestick, that structure. But um, we have no engulfing. So right now it's starting to transition down. So we have no up engulfing to consider it the transition. Just 2 candlesticks pull back, and they close below here. So if price wants to, you feel me, continue down, we got the supply right here. We got the supply right here that it can or come back down. That's if it wants to retrace right here. So we'll see. We will see. Just waiting on reactions. That's it. Reading price like it's a puzzle. What did it do? Finding out what it did currently or previously will let you know what it's wanting to do in the future. Okay, like what I'm seeing. Just need that close. But remember, I like my to be even. Got a match game. There we go. Hmm. See what's up. No matter what, overall, I'm bullish. I'm not worried about sales. None of that. Do your thing, gang. You come back down, transition. So just think of, I'm looking for what it did here, up here. As soon as I get back up here, that's what I'm looking for. That's all I'm looking for. Looking like it's trying to respect this structure. Man, we are. That's a lot of momentum. It's a lot of volume. Okay. Look like we're gonna get it. We got 18 minutes. Ain't nowhere near our red line or white line. Cause what you thinking? I'm looking for sales when they get down here. It's cause it's red. Connecting it to. Wait. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, we not trying to retrace like that, huh? And that's a full body. Carmi Bozu candle. That just means it has little to no wick on each side. It's just a body candle. Where's this pullback? Oh, I'm about to say it's not showing on the 1 minute. What's going on? This is basic. Okay. We got equal high. What do you want to do? May not really show us moving till it's 8 p.m. We got 18 minutes still. Well, 17 now. Now I don't count. I don't count the two candlestick pull back on here on the 1 minute unless I'm looking for an entry. But as far as the major structure that I'm looking for, always on 3 minute first. 3 minutes is entry time frame, so it's 1 minute. Might might start trading. What was it? Micros instead of minis. Give me a little bit more breathing room. Let me see. And I can up my contract. But I don't know what the difference is. I've never traded. Well, before today, I was testing it out. I've never traded micros. I've always traded minis when it came to futures. So minis is basically the same. They got the one standard on the in the forex market. But on micros, it's like I don't even know how to really explain it. To be honest with you, but that no, I won't. Oh, okay, I could have had that like that. So we still on gold, but it's just you can't see it. It's micros gold instead of the regular gold future spare. All right, we got at least two down, two up. So a body closure below here. Go ahead and mark it as it's happening, and that's gonna be red. All right, equal high. Two candles down, two up on a 3 minute. Body, I need a body closure outside this red, and I can use that as an entry because this was a runaway trade, so I get this quick scalp, and then I'll see what the CRT is looking like. Okay, okay, okay. I'm going to delete this blue one. 2 minutes, 14 minutes till 8. equal highs, low. This body closed below. That's in, we got 2 minutes on the 3 minute for this to be invalid. I mean valid as it close to, and this would be our indication down. So let me go ahead and delete all this because we got structure up here now, so that don't really matter. So it could still come down here and come back up, but I'm looking for that scalp. So the strategy, all we needed was 2 up, 2 down. We had it right here. It's not looking like it's wanna, you feel me? It's struck to make a new higher high right here. It's an equal high. And instead, it didn't make a new high, but it's making a new lower low. So I mean, we'll see what's up. Kinda iffy on that too though, cause we got this we got this demand right here, so we'll see. It's looking like it's looking like it's want to react to it right now. We got 1 minute before this is considered a valid close. Below this zone. That'll be our indication. I'll look for that pullback. And then I look for it to show me to continue to sell off on the 1 minute. Then take it like that. Trade trade might look a little crazy tonight, but I'm gonna test out this micro tonight instead of getting in on a regular. I'm gonna see what's up. I'm getting at 2 micros instead of just doing 1 mini. It's crazy because the micro. Well, I guess it don't. It ain't really crazy. That makes sense. Micros are smaller than the minis. Okay, we got that valid indication. Now I'm looking for that pullback. I'm gonna use a 1 minute to help me out. So I need this bullish bearish pattern to get invalidated, trading back into the zone or the range, and then I needed to start creating another a downtrend, basically a continuation. So we got our indication. The correction is pulled back. Then we look at the continuation, potentially down here. I'm willing to take it down here, depending on how far it goes right here. So we'll see. So the indication shows you how far price wants to go. It also tells you that below this area, sellers are in control because above this area, buyers are in control because it made a new high, a new higher high. Now it retraced it to it, respected it, failed to make a new higher high, broke it. That's an indication. It's an indication zone. So we're just waiting for that correction or that pullback, and then we're looking for the trend to continue. Like I said, I'm willing to down here. But we'll see. We will see. Down here just to catch that bounce back up. But by then it'll be time for that 8 minute CRT. So we just play how shit. We play how the market wanna whatever the market trying to do. We're gonna play it like that. Try as hell in the face. Need that agua. Got that one set up. I need to sign it to my other account so I can show both. at the same time on the looking at the uh. Well, show me something. Go ahead and show. I forget. I forget I could do that here too. Go ahead and show me something. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the 4 display after this. See what's up. I might like that. I might like that. Okay. Now show me your transition. This indication. We got this fair value gap here. Got that fair value gap. It did not discount pricing yet. Discount pricing will be in here. Ooh, what you doing? Go ahead and get that on up out of there. So we got that fair. So anything above it, once I need it to come above here, make that transition, then I get in. We'll see. Took liquidity. Looking like it's trying to close like this. Ooh. But it didn't hit. Yeah, it didn't come up here. Let me change that. All right, the yellow. Nah, I changed it to green. Okay. Nah, I want that on the top. 14 top left. All right. We got this breaker block right here. This candle engulfed these previous two candles. Ooh. See, I can't even really count this because it's the same. Okay. I'm about to say it's all the same color candle, so it's not really a pullback. Even though it's pulling back on the 1 minute. Now I can because it closed like this. So we'll see what's up. See what it want to do. It just transition or it changed order flow. Basically, we had this bearish bulls bearish body above, basically retracing to the engulfing. This candle engulfed this one, but these two engulfed this candle. So that could be a. And it's a lot of information. Man. It's a lot going on right here. We about to get what I want for 5 minutes. We close above the white line, or we stayed above the white line, which makes this break block. So we'll see what's up. We will see what's up. Still ain't tapped into the discount area just yet to validate it. So, mm, I still see it coming up a little bit before it come back down. We gonna see though. Go ahead and do your thing. Just need you to come up here. At least you gotta touch this fine game. And you ain't really take no liquidity either. I'll be right back. right, we back with it. So we ended up getting that. We got another push. Got to pass our zone. So looking like it's about to transition again. Though. Let's see. 5 seconds to 8. We got that close above the white line. Okay. All of this is equal, equal highs. Ooh, what is that? Well, we get a close back below on this 1 minute. I'm gonna have to take that. Let's see what's up though. Unless it's a body, doesn't matter. Equal highs. There's no new higher high yet, unless there's a body. So that's what 8 o'clock do. Ooh, okay. So it looks like that pre-market was a setup for me. Uh, Excuse me. Sorry about that. Mm, mm. Okay. That's definitely gonna close up there. So let me go ahead. How do I delete all that shit at the same time? There we go. Let me go ahead and get rid of all these. What I thought about. That was a valid markup. Mm, mm. So this would have, yeah, that was invalid markup. So backpedaling. But this was our indication before we got this sale. This invalidation never got invalidated. This was the highest point. This was the lowest point before it pushed up. So as long as it didn't come below here, I wouldn't be looking for sales. I should have been looking for buys. It's another miss setup. That's what I'm saying. So it's a lot to be going on. You just gotta mark what's going on currently. Still expecting that pullback though. But now, since it's after 8 o'clock, I'm just going to my strategy. So that the strategy I normally use, price action, is normally a pre-market strategy. But like I said, now since it's after 8, I'm gonna get off the off the 1 hour on here. I'm gonna go to the 15 week trade, the 50 CRT. Switch this to the 1 minute. Switch this to the 3. Just so it can be closer. Okay. 1 minute in the middle now. 15 on the right. So now we waiting for the 8 p.m. 15-minute candle to close. So I have to be on the 15-minute time frame, and I'm waiting for one 15-minute candle to close on the 15-minute time frame for gold. It'll end at 8:15. We got 11 minutes, and all I'm gonna do is mark the high and the low of said candle, and price peak outside the top first, looking for the bottom side, using the 1 minute, and vice versa. So I keep adjusting this if it keep pushing to new price point. Oh, that's the line. Oh no, I hit the wrong thing. Excuse me. We can make the line white so it's better to see. I don't even show white. Why does it look like that? It's not white. It's gray. No matter. So this box is going to continue to move until 8:15. Mm, mm, mm. That was a clean setup too. Whoa. I was reading into that one. It happens. But I'm in a quick little move though. One probably would have hit my target for goal at least. We'll see what's up. All right, it did push up a little higher, so we gotta do wick to wick. Just follow it. We got 9 minutes. All right, gotta adjust it again on the 15 minute. It ain't got to be perfect. It just need to be at the very top and below. 6 minutes. This candle is printed. That'll be our CRT. 8 p.m. CRT. Oh, you did all that. Just a reverse. You didn't even really go that high based on the 3 minutes. What you want? But we still would have had this markup too. Yeah, I'm kind of mad I missed it. I was trying to anticipate too much. Trying to do too much. Rookie mistake. Can't be making rookie mistakes. Been in the game too long. Hey, mistakes will happen. It's a matter of you gonna let it make you or break you. Simple. Since that was an eagle, I shouldn't even really. Yeah, I could have caught that shit, but I mean, it would have only been. Let me see. Mm, nah, I would have caught it down here if I'd have got in on the 1 minute. Yeah. It'd have been more than just this entry. I would have got early entry around here. Gotta remember to do that, bro. I get the indication. I gotta mark the lowest point too. That's what invalidates it. Cause he can do whatever he want to do in here. Sweet. Brain cells ain't all the way dead tonight, and I ain't even smoked today. Well, it's been probably like 6, 7 hours since I last smoked. But T minus 3 minutes and 40 seconds before we have our 15-minute CRT. And again, once that candle prints on the 15 minute, I'm gonna look for price to come outside the top. It don't matter if it's a wick or a body or come outside the bottom. Come outside the bottom first, looking for it to reverse back up. Since we are, excuse me, since this strategy only needs 15 minutes and 1 minute for entry, change this one. Well, I gotta have. Y'all been changing to the 4 so it can. You feel me? I gotta keep changing time frames when I switch the strategy that I'm trading based on time. I ain't mean to go down that low. I'm back up. Like my shit to be precise. Should have turned the little magnet on. I'm gonna be tweaking. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, perfect. All right, let me turn it off because that magnet can get annoying. All right, T minus 2 minutes. Still have our breaker block, but it could come down to. Go ahead. Yeah, I don't like. There we go. Bro, what you? Well, make that a little thick. All right, make it 3. Make it white. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. That's definitely breaker block though. It gotta pull it back. So I'm anticipating for it to peak out the top first. Cause it's a lot of momentum right here. It's a lot of momentum. Really down candles. Yeah, barely any down candles, dude. Hit this 3 up. All right, we got 1 minute left. So I'm just going to delete it. Put the magnet back on. I'm readjust. Same thing. Come on, straighten that line out, G. There we go. Now I can select that or deselect, whatever you want to call it. 24 seconds. This is the true range. So let me go ahead and get rid of here. All right. 15-minute CRT has been established. Where we at? Okay, that's okay. So still good. Looking for the same setup. Come outside at the top, I'm looking for that reversal. It's only two setups I look for. And this setup is two setups within itself. It can either be a lower high or equal high, which is an M. That's what I be looking for. Now, come out the bottom first, which I don't anticipate will. Same thing, just in reverse. Is it entry based off that area? Entry based off is there. Gonna do the top, which is about to do. Looking for that reverse. Boom. All right. Now all of this shit down here don't matter. Came out the top first, so we looking for sales. Wait for that transition on the 1 minute. Either one of these setups. Let me do the third one just so you. Hey, there's only two setups within itself. I only see you one. You know how people be. Same thing essentially. It's either gonna be equal high or lower high. This is same setup basically. I like this one better or more because it makes a new high, then it makes a new low when you just take it. Look crazy on the 15 minute. That's funny. All right. Waiting. See if I can get a breaker block or order flow change with a fair value gap attached. Target. Target 400 on one and 8 on the other. I see how this two contract on this micro gonna look though. All right, still got upward flow. Up engulfing being respected and new higher highs being made on the 1 minute. Okay. Get my mind right. Okay. Don't want to transition yet. See. How did they even get down here? Oh, okay. Okay, we got this bullish pattern right here. Short term, low. Okay, go ahead. Leave some of this space in there. I mean, correct fair value, guys. So it's always weird catching the sales. I can see it easier when I'm catching buys. That shit be throwing me. I can invert that shit. Oh, I definitely wouldn't recommend. Don't invert the other charts. Okay, I only did it for this. All right. So basically, yeah. So would that essentially be POI? Okay, bet. Go ahead and change that back. I really could have just hit the arrow 3 times. Basically, new high equal. Okay. Another short term low ran. It's really two in this area. Go ahead and pull it back. You got three short term lows that it just ran. I'm looking for that pullback. There is no fair value. Well, there's fair value gap right here, but not the first one or the one that it didn't wasn't created after it made this transition right here on the 1 minute. Because essentially, this is up, down, new high, up, down, new high. Just equal highs right here on the 1 minute. So we're just waiting for that pullback. Then we gonna shoot. Now I gotta get used to this. The micros, I ain't never trade with that. So I may not trade with two. Going forward, I just trade. I may up that because with the one contract on a mini, I hit 300 quick, probably like 30 points. But with the micros, I think it's double or triple. Had to be 60 points to make that. So we'll see. All right. Getting ready to shoot. And my stop loss. Somewhere in here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get in. But
Order filled.
so it's gonna be low. I guess two not that bad, but we'll see. We will see. It's not showing on my trade terminal though. I don't like that. How the fuck? Come on now. Okay, I guess I can just do it like I'm like, what are you doing? It didn't get in on the pair that I wanted to get in on. What is you doing? Why did it do that? It didn't switch pairs. Ah, man, come on, gang. That's why it's not showing up. That's never happened before. Why is it? What? Bro, I'm about to go ahead and take this because this. I'll go ahead and take that.
Order filled.
I'll go ahead and take that. What was that? A quick 240 or 260, wherever it was. Quick scout, 250 and like or 240 and two candles. Well, it didn't switch. I don't know. Hold on. Why did it do that? Do I got it open on my? I don't have it open on my phone. Ain't really. I'm supposed to be on a. I'm on the chart is showing a completely different pair. What the hell's going on? I don't like that at all. Yeah. So why is it not showing? Can I just not trade the micros? Bro, I ain't talking about. I am signed in. Tweak. Well, I mean, did it? It's doing exactly what I said it's gonna do. I'm just trying to get in on the mic. Man, they playing with my setup, gang. Oh, they playing with my setup. I mean, our profit is a good profit, but I'm not on. It's not showing. Oh, I forgot about that. Man, Top Step be tweaking, man. Fucking kidding me, bro. That shit just irritates the fuck out of me. All right, so how do I add it over here? Gotta have it changed over here too. What is it? MC MGC. Yeah. So I had to change it. Bro, are you serious, dog? MGCG2. Is that better be gold, bro? Hold on, man. They playing with me. Okay. I forget I gotta alright, I gotta change it in both areas and not just one. Bro, that's bogus. That's automatically changed when I change it on the chart. The fuck, man. I can't really be mad. I made some bread, but still, like, I'm 2 for 2 tonight. But, bruh, all right, I got it changed now. I got it updated. So let me see if I can find another setup, and then I can show. then I can show what the what it look like on the micros. A big difference. All right, we took liquidity, close below. Since it's on here now, okay, that matches up. That matches up. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna just hold on. I'm gonna get in for. Nah, I get in for it too, just so we can see what's up. All right, that's set up how it's supposed to. Matter of fact, since I'm already up to this will be my last and final setup. It's still looking good. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We got two candle closures back below our zone. So then again, I have my stop loss. Make this red. I put it above here. That's where I take it. But I don't want. Oh, I get used to this micro. I'm gonna just get in for a one though. See what's up.
Order filled.
Then go ahead and readjust this. See what I'm saying? Like it's showing like dollars and shit. Like, oh, because of this fucking, because it's micros and shit. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go for like a 2 or 3 for it to make sense on here. That mean I can. It'll be a little less stressful trading micros. We'll see. See. We'll see. We'll see. I need you to come down. Okay? Yeah. No, at least it's showing, bro. Realistically, I only wanted to put it here because I had already got in. But since I'm trading mic micros, it shouldn't really matter. I should be able to. I just leave this engulfing because this is engulfing. Sort of respect. So we'll see. We'll see. I readjust it. I ain't really mad at it. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. So next time I trade micros, gonna have to be probably like a 3 or a 4 for it to make any difference. But stop loss. What would I put my TP? We got a 3 minute right there. So we'll see. Oh well, this is shit. It's not even gonna matter. Oh, I already hit it. Let me go ahead and take that.
Order filled.
Okay. 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 Damn, that's all it wanted to give right here. That's wild. I'll take it though. Tonight was kind of weird, bro. I gotta remember that top step don't it don't update on both. Okay, so 1-2 lost one. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. Might look for another setup. So here, this setup came down, came up. Basically, it was these two setups. So this one and this one. But in this case, it made this wick was higher, so it'll probably look something like this, which is this setup right here. So it was a good mix of both. Equal highs. Get rid of all this. I forgot I had this. I was about to roll up. Let me go ahead and finish this for this. Gets this wood gets stale, the motherfucker. Bro, it's too stagnant. What did I click? I ain't mean to click that. Yeah, I know the order is filled. Yeah, message still right there. Get that shit out of here. Okay, okay, okay. Equal. I mean, size. No body. Closure. Okay. Trying to look for that. I really want a breaker block to happen on the 1 minute, dog. Like, I mean, we can get that here with the body closure, but here, the lows fail to make a higher high. This is what I want to see invalidate. I might get it again on this thing. On here, really, I can just keep it on one time frame because I ain't using this to mark up, so it don't really matter. This was the first set. Equalize. Price failing to go higher. Invalidate this. Pull back. Is there a fair value gap? Yeah, we got one from here to here, which means it could be a big ass pop up if it validates this right here. Still in sales based off the CRT. I don't even know if I'm gonna really take this. That'll be 4. That's my max. I like how it's looking on the 15. We're starting to lose the momentum is starting to die out. I just need this breaker block um, invalidated. I'm cool. So in a sense, maybe that's what I'm looking for. Let me do that. It's all good though. Basically this pattern. But it has to body has to close below here first. For me to consider because we got 2 up, 2 candlesticks up, 2 down, and golfing. That led to a new higher high. Look for that to break. To make higher high, then to make a new lower low. Higher high now. I'm looking for this pullback to make a new lower low. And then we definitely up out of there. We definitely gonna sell. Let me do it like on the hour. Oh yeah, we bullish for sure. We gotta retrace at some point. It's only these 3 big ass candles on the hour. You got to retrace, gang. Gotta be a little bit more patient. Just a little bit more. Shit, we got price to close below the opening of this. Some people trade it that way too. That shit give me anxiety. That's a little too aggressive for me. I need a little more practice with that. But again, it's the same thing. We got this bullish, fresh bullish pattern getting validated. Change order flow. Got this engulfing. So it changed from up order flow to down order flow. Got supply right here. So if I wanted to, I can get in right at this point and leave my stop loss above that supply. Like it's trying to create an inverted head and shoulders. This might be a decent setup. Okay, I got that set. Got that set. All right. All right, got two engulfers in the same area. How do you? Is it control? Need is drag? Ah, it is. I remember. There we go. For either one of these to get invalidated, to change it from up order block to a breaker block, basically inverting that breaker block. I think I kind of like trading micro. I gotta get a little used to it though. Excuse me. Okay. Hmm. Trying to fight it. Trying to fight it. We be getting to the breach, and they know gotta get it, gotta go. You can call me what you want, but not broke two bad bitches. I can let them go. Hold on. They don't even know I ain't trying to choose. I'ma love them both, and that's that. And that's that. I ain't trying to lose, so I keep it close. Fifteen. Did we get at least two down? Two up? We got at least two up, two down. We still showing what it's. Ooh, I might get. Hold on. Close like that if you want to. All right, it's the last one.
Order filled.
Last one of the night. Hold up. I like that. I like that. I likes that move. I likes that a lot. I'm gonna pull it back a little bit, but I likes that. You created two breaker blocks with that one candle, and it's a long wick to the other side. Still essentially giving us that pattern at the top. It just looked ugly. So we'll see. Where would I take it? Remember, it's gonna be a little low because I'm using micros right now. Target here, essentially. Make that four. That's the bottom of the range. Hey, gonna do his little pullback. I ain't really mad at it. These trade micros, I'm gonna get used to it. I have never done that before today. It feels weird. Talking about some dollars. I ain't used to that. I'm used to that being $50, not $5. Based on the move and the contract size. But it's all good. We gonna see. But my promo on the three. I still get this rejection and these invalidated counters. So I ain't really mad at it. Gonna do his little pullback though. Ooh, what's that? We don't know one. Oh, okay, 1 minute in the middle, so I ain't gotta change it over here. What did I get in? Right at those wicks on the 3 minute. No, what the five? That shouldn't be there. Five. Yep. Okay, I got that in line. That's cool. All right, so we'll see. Oh shit, I got. You did all that just to come back? Come on now. Damn. Yeah, gonna take that. I'm cool with that.
Order filled.
2 for 2 tonight. Yeah, I'm locked out anyway. I can't trade on the account no more tomorrow. Um, yeah, tomorrow doing Tokyo. 2 for 2 tonight. That's what it is, man. The nice setup was ugly, bro. The first one only gave that in transition. The fuck was all like, bro? That's like shit. We just on the books. It's all good though. 2 for 2 tonight. Up around 200. A little less than 200. Trying something new. Trade micros. Yeah, micros. But it's all good. Ended the day in profit. Oh yeah, it's definitely a green day. So I ain't mad at all. But yeah, I'm gonna delete all this, and I'm off for the night. Catch y'all tomorrow. Like I said, we going live all week. 2 to 2 tonight.